Are you looking for the best silicone baking mats on Amazon? We've got these right here. Figured I'd show these things off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and grab that Mike Vance knife right there so we can open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me right there. So they come all nice and rolled up. We got another little piece of tape right there. So let's go ahead and chop through that. They give you a nice little sheet right there about all the stuff for caring for it and whatnot. We'll go over that in just a minute. Let's see, we got another piece of tape right there. Let me go ahead and chop through that as well. There we go. All right, so these right here are going to be your baking mats. They look to all be about the same size. Man, you get a bunch of these in here too. You get 4 mats in here. That's awesome. That way, if you're baking cookies, you can use one mat with one set of cookies, and then you can just grab another mat whenever it's time to do the next batch. So that's awesome. Let's see, we've got bag in a box. Let's see if we can open this thing on up right here. We're going to need that. Man, Mike Vance coming in handy today. Tear that one on open. Just like that. And then we can unwrap this all the way around. And this right here is going to be your baking mat. So it can handle up to 450 degrees and all the way down to negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's awesome. On here, it says, do not use a knife. I think that's pretty obvious, is that a knife will probably puncture this, and you don't want to do that. Don't put it in direct fire. But it is dishwasher safe, so if you did want to put it through the dishwasher, you can do that. I believe that's what that fork and cup thing means. So, first of all, nice good size right here. Let's go ahead and measure this on out. So right here, including this gray border, you're looking at 16.5 inches. Without the gray border, just the interior brown part, you're looking at 14.5 inches. So you have about an inch on each border, on each side for the border right there. Honestly, I don't know if the border actually matters or not, or if it's just to make it look very nice and pretty, because it feels like it's all made out of the same material. So if you're baking something and a little bit gets onto the border area, I think you'll be fine, which is awesome. This is what the back looks like right there. Again, this is the front right here. And you get 4. We've used these non-stick mats before, and they work like a charm. It makes baking so much easier because stuff doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. And as the dad who does the dishwasher in the house, do the dishes, I hate whenever we bake with something, nothing gets put down underneath, you forget to grease everything, and stuff just starts sticking to it, and then whenever you got to go to clean the pan, like, you got to really scrub the heck out of that thing. And so what these things do, whenever you put this down, it saves you from having to scrape, which is also going to save your pan as well, because it won't get all damaged with you trying to get all the gunk off and whatnot. So I love that. Also makes cleaning the pan so much simpler, because this is made out of silicone. Stuff will just easily wash away. Throw it into some water, whatever you need to do. You add a little bit of suds to it, take a rag to it, and you'll be good to go. So, awesome. Y'all are looking for some excellent silicone mats. Y'all definitely need to go and check out these right here. But I believe that you can get them in different sizes as well. Not 100% sure of that. Definitely go and check out the product listing below. And if you can, they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the ones that are going to be the perfect size for your pan. I did want to point out on the box here, they do recommend that if you're going to use the cleaning cycle on your oven, make sure to take these silicone mats out. That's not going to be good. That thing gets super duper hot whenever you put it into cleaning mode. Clean after use, we talked about that, not using sharp knives. And then on this side right here, they show you that it's great for a quarter sheet. You can use it as a silicone baking mat, and they have all the croissants right here. You can put it down and have macaroons. You can on there. Oh, it looks like they make one that has a template in there, so you can space out your macaroons or your cookies exactly where they need to go. So that might be another one of the options that are down in the thing below that you want to go and check out. And then, of course, you have your half-sheet silicone baking mat. So they do make them in different size and with different prints on there as well. So, see, I don't think any of these are all just the same, just the blank mat right there. So if y'all are looking for a 4-pack of silicone baking mats, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all these right here. These look fantastic. Hey, y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys looking that up for me. Y'all go and add these to your cart. Oh, wait, look, I wanted to look at this real quick. It said, oh, it's okay. Thank you for choosing our product. Care tips and long-lasting baking mats. No need to grease mats since they're non-stick. After each use, just wash it under the sink with soap and warm water. Avoid using harsh scrubs or knives on the mat. A roller lay flat for storage. And avoid folding to prevent creases. Okay, so if you do want to store it, one way you can do it is just by simply rolling it up like this. And then if you have like a little tube area where you could throw your stuff in, you can do that. Or since these are super thin, you could just lay them flat wherever you want to keep like all your baking sheets and whatnot. And then whenever you need one, you just simply grab one on out of there. So whichever way you want to do it, kind of depends on space, the area of space that you have. But these are fantastic right here. All right, thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And dad out.